Creating a budget that actually works isn't just about tracking numbers, it's about taking control of your finances and aligning your money with your goals. Whether you want to save for a big purchase, get out of debt, or simply stop feeling overwhelmed by your expenses, a well-crafted budget is the foundation of financial success. Here at our channel MTECHD, we're walking you through step-by-step instructions to design a budget that truly works for you. But first, a question: what's your biggest challenge when it comes to budgeting? Let us know in the comments. Step 1 is understanding your financial picture. Start by tracking all your income sources and expenses. Write down everything you spend for a month, from your rent or mortgage to your morning coffee. This gives you a clear idea of where your money is going. Were you surprised by any of your spending habits? Share your experience below. Step 2 is setting your financial goals. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, building an emergency fund, or paying off credit card debt, your goals will shape your budget. Prioritize them by importance and time frame. For example, if you want to save $1,000 for an emergency fund in 3 months, divide that amount into monthly savings targets. What's your top financial goal right now? Let us know in the comments. Step 3 is categorizing your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. Needs include essentials like housing, food, and utilities, while wants are non-essential items like dining out or entertainment. Savings should include emergency funds, retirement contributions, and specific savings goals. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a guideline: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Have you ever tried this budgeting method? Tell us how it worked for you. Step 4 is creating a spending plan. Allocate a specific amount of money to each category and stick to it. Be realistic and adjust based on your priorities and lifestyle. If you notice overspending in certain areas, find ways to cut back. For example, could you make coffee at home instead of buying it daily? What's one area you've cut back on to save money? Share your tips below. Step 5 is automating your finances. Set up automatic transfers for your savings and payments for bills. This ensures you're meeting your goals without the temptation to spend that money elsewhere. Do you already automate your finances? Let us know how it helps you. Step 6 is tracking your progress. Regularly review your budget to see if it's working. If you've spent more in one category, adjust your plan for the next month. Budgeting isn't a one-size-fits-all process, so don't be afraid to tweak it as needed. How often do you check your budget? Drop your answer in the comments. A successful budget is also flexible. Life happens, and unexpected expenses can throw off even the best plans. Having an emergency fund and revisiting your budget regularly ensures you're prepared for surprises. Have you ever had to adapt your budget due to unforeseen circumstances? Share your story. Lastly, celebrate small wins. Each step you take toward financial stability is an accomplishment. Paid off a debt? Saved for a goal? Give yourself credit, it's motivation to keep going. What's a financial win you're proud of? Let's celebrate it in the comments. Remember, a budget that works isn't about perfection, it's about consistency and intentionality. By taking control of your money, you can reduce stress, build security, and focus on what truly matters. Got questions or tips about budgeting? Drop them below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel MTECHD, and check out our channel for more practical financial advice. Let's achieve financial freedom together.